Rejected after Golang take-home assignment. Any feedback? Question mark. Hello all. I've been working as an embedded software engineer for about 8 years and wanted to move my career in the direction of backend and cloud. I was just rejected from a role after completing a take-home assignment writing a simple RESTful API for a microservice managing one resource. Whoa, wait. I was just rejected from a role after completing a take-home assignment writing a simple RESTful API for a microservice managing one resource. How the hell is that even possible? I already clicked this link. It's open here. I didn't inspect it yet, but I just read it, clicked it here, checked if it really was still there, because you never know, 3 days ago on Reddit, it could be deleted, right? And there also basically no PR requests. What a helpful world, man. Thanks, Reddit. I mean, what the hell is that? People could basically help this guy out, but nothing happens. Anyway. Okay, so position was a Golang position, which I admittedly have no experience in. Okay, that makes a lot of sense already. That you basically are rejected because, but we will see. But the assignment did not have to be written in Go. I decided to write it in Go anyways. Okay, that's a bold statement, not gonna lie. One, I would need to learn the language if I were to be hired for the position anyways. Okay, makes a lot of sense. It would be nice to learn a new language and its ecosystem, even if we're to be rejected. To be honest, I like this, right? I like these two things. Why not? It's never a time wasted, right? Learning is never a time wasted. Let us be clear about that. So I poured my heart into learning Go and some select frameworks. Okay. I honestly thought I did well enough on the assignment, considering it's my first real attempt to write something in Go that isn't absolutely trivial. I was not given any feedback for where I went wrong, so I'm left in the dark here. Okay, cool. We're gonna clear that up, baby. We're gonna clear that up. You call me, hey, what's up? I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. We're gonna clear everything up. I swear to God, because there must be something wrong. You know what I mean? Can any of you give me some feedback on my code? Really appreciate the time. Where's this? I thank you for all your enormous feedback. Okay, people are gonna, oh, that's for Reddit, man. All these Redditors. Yes! They were ready to rumble, man. Here, you know what I mean? All right, let's check this guy's code, right? The REST API microservices from Brandonto Fighting. He's a mixed martial artist, writing JavaScript, Python, and a little bit of Go. So we have the REST API microservice demo from Brandonto. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click, boom. Who is this guy? Boom. Okay. SDL Space Shooter, I like it. So Solus Pubsub Python. Yes. Topic Monitor. C++. Whoa. Whoa, look at him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 years of experience, man. GG. A lot of low-level experience. He forked Kelsey Hightower's conv-d. Human interface for a robotic control. Okay, so this guy, low-level experience. Let's be honest, 12 years of experience. Let's do not doubt this guy that he can write some code, right? We cannot do that. I think Brandon 2 is doing a good job. But, of course, Golang. So, what do we see here? The first thing that I check is basically the root folder, right? Can I zoom out? The root folder, what do we have here? Main.go, this something is fine. Readme, let's check that real quick. Actually, we could look at that. I like this. It's already... It's fine. It's fine. A little bit of a readme. Why not? I can appreciate that. License, it's all good. It's perfect, right? Main.go in the root, fine. Let's check that real quick. What's going on here in the main? Right. Okay, you can see this double const here. Why not? Nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. But you need to understand that people are going to submit other code, and they're gonna basically have the idiomatic approaches of Golang. That's how life works. I know. I don't like it, but that's how it works, right? Normally you would actually, can we clone this thing? Let's do that. Why are you using VS Code instead of Vim? Shut up, Timmy. Alright, stop crying. Okay, what's this? Let me close the main. Let's open up main here. So, yeah, so what you need to do here, what I would do, it doesn't make any difference, right? It's not going to impact your code at all, right? But what you should do is make the const thingy like that, right? Delete this thing, boom. Something like that. Hey, if so, people are going to trip about that. That's Golang. They are very Golang, you know what I mean? if you fart and it stinks, they're gonna smell it and they're gonna say something about that. You know what I mean? Okay, so next thing, what is this? What's going on here? Cool. I don't like this, but it's fine. You see, I'm already a little bit triggered. Let's say the other guy that needed to review was already also a little bit triggered. And does that mean that Brandon cannot write? Of course he can. Of course, but it's like, that's the programming cults. You know what I mean? The cult leaders. The cult leaders are here. You know what I mean? How do they call it? The raid boss. What's going on here? If len OS R is bigger than 4 and smaller than that. No clue what's that. Then print usage OSR plus yada yada. It's fine. It's fine. This thing is DB file here, port yada yada. Okay, some sanity checks. DB core config core.run. What's core? Okay, you see, that's the problem from that's the problem from coming from another language. There's nothing to do with programming skill issues. Core.run. I don't know. Maybe. What do you guys think about core.run? It's like these namings. It's weird. It's coming from C. I think it's a C sharper. A C sharper. But hey, that's fine. Okay, let me open up the thingy here again. So we have API. So I was... Okay, the Swagger is fine. Docs is fine. Utils fine. I think utils is fine, right? Or helper, whatever you want to call, common. I see a lot of stuff. What do you think, guys? What should we do here? I don't care. If I need to review that, it's fine for me. You know what I mean? Let's open up router. Why not? New router, chi router. Seems good. Can you guys see this? Oh, what? Enable logger. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, I would do. Yeah. Good. Yeah, good. Stop doing this. God damn it. RUs render. Look at that. Error is new. The problem with an error, guys. The Golang police. Never ever make a capitalized error because you can't. You can't because the Golang committee has decided. You cannot do that because it's, I don't know. So util read file is need to be OS because it's deprecated. What are you using? Envim? Golang? JetBrains? Come on, man. You can see all this small stuff needs to be pinpoint precise if you're going to submit a job assignment, an interview assignment, because there is some guy like me, and he's going to do all these things very well, and you need to compete against me. How is that going to turn out, do you think? I don't think it's going to be very good. Unless you have a good personality, then you have a chance. Because I'm a fucking savage. Set content, where's this? Yeah, it's fine. What's standalone? What's a standalone, baby? Swagger stuff. He does this. Okay. Fine. What? Standalone, okay. GG. Configure API routes, messages, embedded router, right? It's fine. Slash. With paginate, that's actually cool. I never used that. Yeah, I never used that. What is this? With adds inline middlewares and with paginate. It's a middleware. I see. I like that. If it's not empty. Fine. Fine. Reading a message at the same time. Stop doing this, man. This already triggers me, but it's fine. I think it's good, right? Considering not coming from Go is fine, right? I mean, there's not really, what's that? With context, build-in type. Oh yeah, it's the built-in type string for the keys. I know, but hey, what is this? With value, the same thing, right? This should be keys probably, custom keys, right? So I think you could do something like that. Like, how would you do that? Like a type CTX key. I'm just gonna do it very dirty, you know what I mean? Because I'm a dirty birdie. String like this, and then you could do. I think you could do something like that, like CTX key. Or how do I call this? Is that true what I'm doing here? Something like that, you know. For some reason it needs for the conflicts. Because they probably, what are they doing? Hashing it or something? I have no clue what they do under the hood. I think it's fine. A lot of documentation still, so I mean, why would you not like it, right? We did a 11U review about our code, and they say, hey, there are no unit tests and there is no documentation. Welcome to the startup life, baby! Woohoo! The wild, wild west. Okay, so that's that. This is the message ID. Get. I think it's fine, right? I mean, just you can see that the problem with this code is that he's just new to Go. He does not know all the idioms yet, which is fine, right? Which is fine. What is that? Redirect handler. Redirect handler turns a request handler. Should not use constant. Yeah. Okay. Cool. But he might not know that, right? He might not know this, that it needs to be an HTTP status. I have no clue what 301 is. Move permanently. Status move permanently. Just like your girlfriend. She moved permanently. And now you're lonely. Get another one. Make yourself a status created. You know what I mean? After a couple of bad gateways, it's gonna be an HTTP okay for you, my man. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, so what I can say, we can go deep. We can go very deep here. You know, in the deepest deeps. But like I said, what's util? Let me quickly see. String bool. Why not? Look at him. He's making all this cool stuff. This documentation. Nice. Lowercase. Boom, boom, boom. Make some tests here. GG, well played, I would say. Look at that. Beautiful test cases. Why not? I mean, it's already better than my code because I have no test at all. Okay, you see this? Like these constants, you should group these, right? I mean, you should actually group these. It's like const. Something like that, you know. But nitpicking, again, he's not knowing that you cannot do that from the Golang police. 1 year jail sentence for you. Model. Pretty fine, you know what I mean? You see, that's a problem. So, and of course, they're gonna see that he's new to Go, and yeah, that's gonna be it, right? So let me actually see what's going on here. I'd like to thank you all for the enormous feedback. It's heavily appreciated. Never thought that I would have received so much in such a short time frame. I think I have a clear understanding of where the weak points lie now. For future projects, it's definitely be incorporating some of the suggestions in future projects, perhaps even make changes to this one for the sake of completeness. It's way more complicated than it should be. Golos, I tried running it, there was no information. Okay, local, what's that? Dedumping some stack traces. It looks like you have some hard-coded values here. Thanks for the feedback. Yes, because you try too much, don't worry. Nobody's actually mentioning the things that I said. It's already over-engineered. Yeah, I didn't check the over-engineering stuff, right? Just check the things that I could eyeball. Would you mind walking us through your review process? Okay, so that's classical Reddit. So all Timmys, they're dumping stuff, but there will be some good feedback nonetheless somewhere, right?